Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to this enchanting corner of creativity. Hope you all are in the pink. Today, I'm gonna make a beautiful pop-up birthday card. For that, you need a square paper from which we will make a flower. For that, you have to fold it as I shown and then mark it to shape the leaf and then cut it. After cutting it, you will find a flower shape. Then I'm using here a golden color pen, glitter pen, to shade it like this, and will use a red sketch as well, so that it will look more beautiful. Now cut one of its leaf and glue it to give it a cone shape. After gluing it, we'll make anther of the flower using white paint. Here I'm using a pen and 6 more like this need to be made. Yeah, it's time to arrange and glue it in the manner I'm doing. Here I'm making a birthday card, but you can make any other card like Teacher's Day, Friendship Day and many more just by following this tutorial. Guys, until I'm doing this, go and like, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon. Therefore, I have arranged all the flowers together. Now it's time to glue it on a paper. For that, take a rectangular paper and fold it from the middle and glue it like this. Now it's time to decorate the front of the cards. For that, here I'm making tulips. This method is too easy to make tulips, and the tulips looks so adorable. Now attaching the stem to it and leaves as well. And the tulip is ready. Here I made 3 of it and glue it on the front like this. Now here I am pasting happy born day, which I wrote on a paper and then cut it. As it was looking little simple, so I glued some hearts and circles, adding some birthday wishes and notes, and your card is ready. Thank you for joining me here. Until next video, may your days be filled with beauty and inspiration. Bye bye.